We're getting ready to cross over to Hoover Dam here. This is a new bridge they put in, I don't know, probably about 20 years ago. Pretty amazing. I think this is Highway 11 that's on that, or 95. I don't know for sure. There's there goes my ATOS rolling around the back there. The famous, world famous Hoover Dam. I don't know if this is one of the great wonders of the world, but it sure should be. Can't really see too much here from where I'm at. A couple facts here as I drive across the Hoover Dam. A lot of people from the area don't realize you're actually crossing over into another state. Right now I'm in Nevada, and we're gonna cross over about halfway over the dam here, which a lot of people didn't even know that you can actually drive across it, by the way. You cross over into the state of Arizona. So right now we are in Nevada. And here's another fun fact. When you cross over into Arizona in the fall, winter, or beginning of spring, you're actually crossing into a different time zone. Right now, they stay in standard mountain time, where Nevada right now they're in standard Pacific time, and they switch over to daylight savings time between March and November. So as we're crossing over, we're actually on the dam now. As we're crossing over into Arizona, which we're going to right now, it is 9:46 here. Let's see what happens here in a moment. We're crossing over into standard mountain time, which we're not quite over yet because there's a tour bus in front of us, but that's okay. I thought we were crossing over. Maybe this is like a big giant line or something. I don't know. But whatever the case is, you cross over into a different time zone, which is kind of odd, but you know, you got to cross over at some point, right? As you see there, Arizona time on the wall clock there. And we're slowly, I don't know how long it'll take my car to catch up for that. I might not be recording at that time, but it appears that I'm actually into Arizona now. And we're gonna try to find a place to do a POTA here. Look at that bridge right there, very nice. And this is for Matt K7UAP. I almost got your call sign wrong. This guy's driving about as slow as you can, but man, this is beautiful views here. Let me put down my window so you can actually see. Beautiful views. That's Lake Mead there. Obviously, not where it needs to be as far as water is. I'm gonna go up on top of the hill somewhere and try to make some contacts. Hopefully the noise isn't too bad, but this guy's, hello! Yeah, there's somebody behind you. I know that there's, looks like I have to pay to park up here. Maybe not. I don't know if I have to pay to park here or not. We'll see. We'll see if there's a place I can go. And keep in mind, we are in a, this is actually a great view down here. This is one of the biggest hydroelectric plants in the area, so there might be a lot of noise here. All right, this will probably continue my be the end of my my video here. I made this just for one person, basically. And it's cold, by the way. It's what, 48 degrees. It's not warm. Looks like there might be a good spot to do some parking. I don't know. I'll probably go up the hill here. It says no buses and they park there. Perfect. Hopefully I don't get a ticket here. This looks like an excellent place to do a POTA. What do you guys think? Look at this. Oh, nice big parking lot. Nobody around.